In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in your Wix account, whether you're managing a website for a business, a personal project, or anything in between. Ensuring that your time zone settings are accurate is crucial for scheduling, timely updates, and overall site functionality. Updating your time zone will ensure that all events and timed content match your desired schedule. Luckily, Wix makes this process straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you should see the dashboard for your site. If you're managing multiple sites, just be sure you're in the dashboard for the specific site you want to update. This dashboard is essentially your command center, where you can control and customize everything about your site. Now, look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. You're looking for the Settings option. It should be fairly easy to spot, but just in case you're having any trouble, remember that the Settings icon often looks like a small gear or cog. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings page, which is where the magic happens. Once you're on the Settings page, you're going to look for the section labeled Language and Region. This is where Wix groups all the settings related to languages, locales, and yes, time zones. This makes it a convenient spot where you can adjust multiple settings related to your site's geographical preferences. In this Language and Region section, you'll find a subsection for time zone. There should be a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of time zones. The list is comprehensive, so take your time as you scroll through it to find the time zone that best fits your location or your intended audience's location. This ensures that everything from event start times to blog post publishing times aligns with local timing. Once you've selected your preferred time zone from the drop-down menu, there's just one more important step: saving your changes. It's an easy step to overlook, but failing to save will mean that all of your careful adjustments won't take effect. So, look for the Save button.